Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 13 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my device. From there, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You will have this pop-up that signifies your captured screenshot, and after a moment it just disappears. Once it disappears, you can find your screenshot in your Photos application, which is in the Google folder. Now by default you would be located in the Photos tab, which will display your screenshots. As you can see, this is the screenshot that I've captured. But later on down the line, it might be easier to find it by going into the library, and in here, hopefully we have a... Nope, never mind, we don't have a screenshot album. So it looks like Redmi, with the stupidest idea, saves all these screenshots to the Photos or Camera tab, along with screen recordings and photos and videos, which will get very cluttered and hard to find your screenshots specifically later on down the line. But still, that's where you can find them. In any case, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.